Hello everyone, and welcome back to PropertyCozy.com. Today, we have here a beautiful and charming villa to show you. Located in the town of Sandy Bay in Hanover, Jamaica, this property is the pinnacle of luxurious Caribbean-style living. The beautiful architecture of this home will make anyone feel that they've claimed their spot of Jamaican paradise. Coming with 3 suite-sized bedrooms, with each being connected to their own bathroom, this home is perfect for families or to be used as an investment property. Possessing 3,600 square feet of interior living space as well, and 0.76 acres of exterior space with views of the ocean and the surrounding golf courses. This beautiful villa is a slice of luxury waiting to be called home. The villa is also only a 2-minute drive to the nearest private beach, along with gyms, tennis courts, golf courses, restaurants, and much more. Now, let's take a dive into this beautiful home.
Bye.